The Sealey spring-loaded oil refill syringe is a multi-purpose syringe that allows one-person operation and refills automatically when the valve is opened. To use, start by unscrewing the hose assembly. Pull the handle back, then turn clockwise to secure the loading position. Once secured, add your lubricant into the pump. Replace the hose assembly, ensuring the red valve is in the closed position. Now rotate the handle counterclockwise to release the spring. Connect the end of the syringe to the vehicle. It's suitable for most gearboxes, transfer boxes and differentials. Once connected, open the red valve slowly and the spring will push out the lubricant automatically. Fill to the required level using the measurement gauge on the side of the unit. If necessary, apply a small amount of pressure on the handle. Close the red valve once the required amount is reached to shut the syringe off.